When an atom when an atom is free from other atoms in gaseous state, it is called isolated gaseous atom. No energy is required to separate it further from other atoms. The lowest energy state possible for an atom is the ground state. If an isolated gaseous atom is in its ground state, then less amount energy would be required to remove an electron from it. Therefore, for comparison purpose, annihilation enthalpy and electron gain enthalpy must be determined for an isolated gaseous atom and its ground state. The alkali metals consist of the chemical elements lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Alkali metals react with water to produce heat, hydrogen gas, and the corresponding metal hydroxide. The heat produced by this reaction may ignite the hydrogen or the metal itself, resulting in a fire or an explosion. The heavier alkali metals will react more violently with water. Characteristics of alkali metals found in column 1A of the periodic table have one electron in their outermost layer of electrons, easily ionized, silvery soft and not dense, low melting points, incredibly reactive. The group 1 elements are called the alkali metals. All the group 1 elements are very reactive. They must be stored under oil to keep air and water away from them. Group 1 elements form alkaline solutions when they react with water, which is why they are called alkali metals. What are three facts about alkali metals? Alkali metals are very reactive. They react with water. It can explode sometimes when it comes in contact with air and water. They are malleable and good conductors of heat and electricity. What are alkali metals used for? Industrial application include heat resistant glass and ceramics, lithium grease lubricants, flux additives for iron, steel, and aluminum production. Mobile devices and electric vehicles depend on lithium ion batteries. The reactivity of alkali metals increases from top to bottom of the group. So, lithium is the least reactive alkali metal and francium is the most reactive. Alkaline earth metal. Any of the 6 chemical elements that comprise group 2 of a periodic table. The elements are beryllium Be, magnesium Mg, calcium Ca, strontium Sr, barium Ba, and radium Ra. Why are they called alkaline earth metals? For two reasons. These elements are referred to as alkaline earth metals. Their oxides remain in the crust of the earth and are very heat stable. The alkaline earth metals are the elements in the second group of the periodic table. Starting with beryllium and ending with radium, they are all silvery white, shiny metals that are fairly reactive, although not as reactive as the alkali metals. Common alkaline earth properties: 2 electrons in the outer shell and a full outer electron S shell, low electron affinities, low electronegativities, relatively low densities, relatively low melting points and boiling points as far as metal are concerned, typically malleable and ductile. The alkali metals are so called because reaction with water forms alkalis, that is, strong bases capable of neutralizing acids. They are called alkaline because they form solution with a pH greater than 7, making them bases or alkaline. What is the most similar about alkaline earth metals? All alkaline earth metals have similar properties because they all have 2 valence electrons. They readily give up their 2 valence electrons to achieve a full outer energy level, which is the most stable arrangement of electrons. Thank you.